What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete your Discord account. Now I'm very sad that you are watching this video and you unfortunately have to delete your Discord account for whatever reason, but I want to make that process as smooth as possible and just directly show you how to do it. I'm on the Discord app, but it works for desktop just as well. Once you're on the app, you're just going to hit the profile picture in the bottom right hand corner, and then you could go to account. It's the second one down right below set status. Here it's going to bring up your account information, and then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is an option to disable account or delete account. You're going to want to be hitting the delete account, obviously. It's going to take you to this screen here where it's going to have you enter the password, probably confirm it 2 times, and pop up with a little message just asking you why you wanted to delete your Discord account, and also giving you a warning that once you do this, you can't go back. Now, once you actually do delete the Discord account, you do have 30 days to reclaim it if you change your mind and you want to come back to the app. Otherwise, once those 30 days are up, it is permanently deleted and there's nothing you could do about getting it back, which is unfortunate, but you should only be doing this if you are sure that you want to delete your Discord account. If you don't want to delete your Discord account, there's also the other option there for disabling it. You could just disable it for a set amount of time if you just need to get your mental stability back before you could hop right back on Discord. That's all there is to it to deleting the account, though. If you did have any questions on how this process works on desktop or anything like that, I will answer any and all questions that are left down below. Just go ahead and drop them down there. Other than that, though, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.